every so often, maybe one or two times every decade, there comes a movie in Bollywood with that one scene that becomes an iconic cinematic moment. Think back before the 2000s, and there are a few that come to mind. The iconic Gabbar dialogue,
कितने आदमी थे?
or what is arguably the greatest moment of the modern Indian cinema.
जा सिमरन, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, जा बेटा, जा।
Bollywood is redefined every few years by these iconic cinematic moments. In the recent times, there isn't any other that comes to mind than Shah Rukh Khan saying,
70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास।
not only is this the greatest pre-climax moment in the recent times, another pivotal factor that makes this scene, the soundtrack from this movie, and the entire movie by extension, a memory that India collectively shares, is the happy coincidence of India winning the T20 World Cup in 2007.
In the air, Srishant takes it! India win!
This scene from Chak De India is popularly known as the 70-minute scene from the movie.
शायद तुम्हारी जिंदगी के सबसे खास 70 मिनट।
And this scene is iconic for a lot of different reasons that we're going to explore today. But the credit for making this scene iconic goes to not one, but four different people. Sudeep Chatterjee, Jaideep Sahani, Shimit Amin, and of course Shah Rukh Khan.
आज तुम अच्छा खेलो या बुरा, ये 70 मिनट तुम्हें जिंदगी भर याद रहेंगे। तो कैसे खेलना है, आज मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताऊंगा।
Now these four people direct the four components that make this scene so iconic. Let's go through them one by one. Sudeep Chatterjee is the cinematographer in this movie. Jaideep Sahani is the writer and screenplay writer of the movie. Shimit Amin is the director, and Shah Rukh Khan, of course, is the actor. If you have not already seen Chak De India, it is in my opinion one of the greatest Indian films and one of the greatest sports films, period. The story by Jaideep Sahani at the point that this scene comes is that the Indian women team has gone through a lot of turmoil in their past throughout the movie, and now they have all but one final barrier that will take them to the pinnacle of success, winning the World Cup. And it is at this moment that their coach Shah Rukh Khan, who is playing Kabir Khan, comes into the limelight, comes into the center of the occasion, and gives them the most inspiring pep talk ever. Something that makes them motivated, something that brings them to bring out the best in their performance and makes them win the World Cup.
बस इतना कहूंगा कि जाओ और ये 70 मिनट जी भर कर खेल लो।
But this scene in its entirety can be divided into three very important aspects. Number one is the dialogue. Number two is the acting and performance. And number three, and what I think is the most important moment in the scene, is the cinematography by Sudeep Chatterjee. The dialogue, of course, is written by Jaideep Sahani, and the 70-minute dialogue by now is a speech that all Indians who have watched the movie or who grew up during those times, especially when India won the 2007 World Cup and the 2011 World Cup, remember this scene by heart, remember this movie because of the iconic songs, the song that became the sports anthem of India. But if we specifically look at certain angles in the scene, of course the dialogues are fantastic. I mean, how could you not get inspired by a dialogue like this?
चाहे कुछ सही हो या ना हो, चाहे कुछ रहे या ना रहे, तुम हारो या जीतो, लेकिन ये 70 मिनट तुमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता।
Now for me, there are two other aspects that make this scene so impactful and make this scene work so well that it has become an iconic cinematic moment. Look at the cinematography in this shot. Notice that when the shot begins, the camera is following or tracking Shah Rukh Khan, who is the man in the center at this moment. He has trained these women throughout the movie, has gone through a turmoil of ups and downs to them, and he takes his moment to understand the feel of the room, understand what is happening, and that is the only moment in this scene that the camera is standing still. The moment Shah Rukh Khan starts speaking, and for the entire 2 minutes and 22 seconds of the scene, the camera does not stay still for even a second till the last moment of the scene, which is again a transition shot from this scene to the next one. Throughout the 2 minutes, throughout the time that Shah Rukh Khan is speaking, the scene gives off the illusion of being a scene that is shot in one take. I mean, notice this. throughout Shah Rukh Khan's speech, throughout his dialogues, there are only two focus points in this scene. One is Shah Rukh Khan, the speaker in the scene, and the other is the audience, the women, the team, Indian hockey women team that is listening to this inspiring pep talk. Throughout the 2 minutes of the scene, when Shah Rukh Khan is standing still or moving, the camera is not still. The reason I think that Sudeep Chatterjee did this was to create an illusion of movement. I mean, a lot of shows have already employed this technique that a moving camera, a walking camera creates the illusion of time moving faster, creates the illusion of something important happening, even if it is not. And in this scene, which is actually a very pivotal scene to the movie, not only is Shah Rukh Khan delivering one of the best dialogues of his life, but the cinematography actually makes the moment so impactful. The moment of impact comes from the fact that the camera is so unstill, so that the audience, as a viewer, you feel the instability, you feel the indecisiveness that is surrounding in the room. But with the dialogue, the camera might be moving, but the camera is never shaky. It never shakes up and down. It is always in a single line of path, but it is circling the room so that you know, as a viewer, you know exactly what every single person in the room is feeling at every single point in the scene. And finally, what makes the scene iconic is, of course, the actor Shah Rukh Khan, who delivers his line, who delivers these dialogues with such prominence, with such impact that they have etched into the memory of every single person who has watched this movie.
इस जिंदगी से, अपने खुदा से, और हर उस इंसान से जिसने तुम पर भरोसा नहीं किया, अपने 70 मिनट जी।
The dialogues again alone are not good enough if they are not delivered properly. I mean, this is why Shah Rukh Khan as an actor has been immortalized by Bollywood as one of the best, because of his capability to deliver performances like this. I mean, this scene comes at a point in the movie where the characters and the audience both know that the ship can sail either way. Either of the teams, the team that we support as an audience, inherently we are supportive of the team that is our own, that we have been watching for the past 2.5 hours, can either win or lose everything. A lot of moments in Shah Rukh Khan's dialogue are superimposed by the faces of the team who is patiently listening to everything he says. Not only does this create the impact of the audience, being right there in the scene with Shah Rukh Khan in the movie, this also brings about the prominence of the dialogues with a much greater impact than what having a nimble 2-camera setup, a 3-camera direct stable setup would have brought about. I think this was one of the best moments in Indian cinematic history in the last decade, and this scene will forever remain iconic because it has been done to perfection, not only because of the technical aspects of the scene, but because of the storytelling aspects that brought about the scene and placed it in the movie at a time that nobody would have anticipated anything better to come out of it. And I think that the only sad part about this scene and other iconic cinematic moments in our movies is that these scenes can only and only come every few years, that we have to cherish and appreciate them as much and as often that we can.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope तुमको इस वीडियो को देखने में उतना ही मजा आया हो जितना मेरे को आया था. And I want to give a huge shout out to CoinSwitch Kuber for sponsoring this segment of the video, जिसकी वजह से ये वीडियो तुमने देखा वो possible हो पाया है. CoinSwitch Kuber is a crypto trading exchange that I have been using personally since April, I think. तुमने देखा हमारा CoinSwitch Kuber के साथ एसोसिएशन कितने टाइम से चल रहा है. It's a very simple to use platform जहाँ पे तुम 100 रुपीज से क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग के अंदर और क्रिप्टो इन्वेस्टमेंट के अंदर अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. डिस्क्रिप्शन में तुमको सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. CoinSwitch Kuber has been a long time sponsor on this channel, तो shout out to them for again supporting us throughout. अगर तुमको अपनी क्रिप्टो की ट्रेडिंग जर्नी शुरू करनी है, बट ध्यान रखना क्रिप्टो इज अ वॉलेटाइल, अनरेगुलेटेड, बट फ्यूचर में पोटेंशियल, एंड इनफैक्ट आज भी पोटेंशियल बहुत ज़्यादा है क्रिप्टो का. सो इट्स राइट टाइम फॉर यू टू गेट इन. अपनी खुद की रिसर्च करना, एंड अगर इन्वेस्ट करना, ट्रेड करना शुरू करना है तो CoinSwitch Kuber यूज करना लाइक आई डू. अगेन थैंक यू टू यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ तुम्हें कैसा लगा, एंड थैंक यू टू CoinSwitch Kuber फॉर स्पॉन्सरिंग दिस. इफ यू आर न्यू विद द चैनल, मेक श्योर चेक आउट द अदर वीडियोस बिकॉज हम ऐसा स्टफ कम करते हैं, बट जब भी करते हैं बढ़िया करते हैं. द अदर काइंड ऑफ वीडियो दैट वी पुट आउट ऑन द चैनल, तो मेक श्योर यू चेक देम आउट, एंड आई सी यू नेक्स्ट वन. गुड बाय.